Get ready to see the reaction when tribal people try kimchi for the first time ever. Let's see if they can handle the spicy kick. Today, we're going to introduce a group of tribal people to a traditional Korean dish that's known for its bold flavors and spiciness, kimchi. This fermented vegetable dish has been a staple in Korean cuisine for centuries, but for our guests, it's a completely new and unfamiliar food. The challenge of introducing kimchi to people who have never tasted it before is quite significant. Not only are they unfamiliar with the ingredients and preparation methods, but they're also venturing into uncharted territory when it comes to the level of spiciness. Will they love it, or will they struggle to handle the heat? One of the main concerns when introducing new foods to people is their individual tolerance for spice. Kimchi can range from mildly spicy to extremely hot, depending on the type and amount of chili peppers used. While some people may enjoy the rush of endorphins that comes with eating spicy food, others may find it overwhelming or even uncomfortable. As we're about to find out, our tribal guests come from a culture where spicy food is not a common part of their diet. They're used to a more traditional diet that focuses on staple foods like grains, fruits, and vegetables. This makes their reaction to kimchi even more intriguing, as we're about to introduce them to a flavor profile that's vastly different from what they're used to. In a moment, we'll be presenting kimchi to our guests for the very first time. But before we do, let's take a look at how this traditional Korean dish is prepared, and what makes it so special. Kimchi is a traditional Korean side dish made from a variety of vegetables, usually cabbage or radish, that have been fermented in a seasoned brine. The preparation process involves washing and cutting the vegetables, mixing them with a blend of spices, and then leaving them to ferment for several days or weeks. This process gives kimchi its distinctive flavor and texture. In Korea, kimchi is a staple food that's often served as a side dish to complement other meals. It's also packed with nutrients and probiotics, making it a popular choice for health-conscious eaters. But for our tribal guests, the concept of fermented food is completely foreign, and they're about to experience it for the first time. The ingredients used in kimchi can vary depending on the region and personal preference. Some common ingredients include garlic, ginger, chili peppers, and fish sauce. These flavors combine to create a bold, pungent, and slightly spicy flavor that's both addictive and overwhelming. As we're about to see, kimchi is a dish that's deeply rooted in Korean culture and tradition. It's a symbol of community, family, and hospitality, and it's often served at special occasions and gatherings. Okay, it's time to bring in our tribal guests and let them try kimchi for the first time. Let's see how they react to this bold, spicy, and unfamiliar food. Their reactions are priceless. Some of them are surprised by the spiciness, while others are intrigued by the flavors and textures. It's amazing to see how people from different cultures can come together and share a new experience. Today's experiment has been an incredible experience, not just for our tribal guests, but also for us. We've learned that even though food preferences can vary greatly between cultures, there's always room for curiosity, exploration, and discovery. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever tried kimchi or any other fermented food? Let us know in the comments.